A quick video on how to fill in your previous year, in this case 2022, schedule so that you have 365 days of utilization, right? So I've logged into MFP, I'm navigated to schedule construction here. Again, you can use that waffle button and go over to schedule construction. And then this time, instead of the normal grid timeline view, we're going to use what's called the scheduler view. So go click on this gray box here and make sure you choose scheduler. Then you choose schedule here because that's your published schedule and your ship. And then you can see that there's a lot of white spaces in here, and any white space that doesn't have an icon on it or a color on it means that it isn't utilized yet. So this is a view allows you to see this pretty easily, right? And what it allows you to do is you can just click and highlight and hold click that mouse down, and when you let go, you can choose what that period was. So these days were general upkeep and outfitting, I'll say. And you can fill in the port here in 21 days. And then if we have another big white space, we can highlight those days, and again, and you can say those were available for service. So you can go through your whole schedule, clicking each of those days that are just one white piece, that has an open square, and then you will get your 365 days of utilization.